So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this double agent Karambit from Cold Steel. This is a very basic Karambit, very simple, nothing much to it. I picked this up for like 20 bucks. I only bought it because I need it for a project that I'm working on. I'm building a custom holster, kind of a load-bearing setup out of some leather that I've got, and this is going to actually factor into part of that setup. So let's get this out of the box here. And this is essentially what we've got. The Karambit comes with a Kydex sheath and a molded handle. Very lightweight. Weighs about 2.5 ounces. You can take a look at the sheath there. It's got that little thumb depression part that locks the knife into the sheath. Go ahead and press on that, and it pops right out. Got a good satin finish on it. Looks pretty cool. The overall length on that, the blade length is about 3 inches. The overall length is 7 5/8 inches. And the blade thickness is 2.3 millimeters. Very lightweight, fairly well balanced. Very easy to grip. You could slip your fingers right into those holes just like that. Makes it a pretty cool utilitarian knife. You can take a look at that molded handle there. It wraps completely around inside of those finger holes. Feels very, very comfortable in your hand. It slips back into the sheath fairly easily there. I'm not a big fan of neck knives, so I would actually never wear this as a neck knife, but they do give you the chain if that's what you wanted to do. But again, I'm going to be incorporating this into a leather holster set that I'm working on. I don't know if I'm going to custom mold a specific leather sheath for the Karambit or not. I might just use that Kydex sheath and kind of hide it, under the leather. But that's it. That's the Double Agent by Cold Steel. This thing is pretty cool, absolutely razor sharp. Cold Steel does have that pretty good warranty on their knives. I like a lot of their stuff. Again, utilitarian style knives, very cheap. Again, this one was on sale, picked it up for 20 bucks. And again, I just need it for a project that I'm working on. So you can tell me what you think about this knife. Maybe you pick one up, maybe you don't. For the price, I don't think you can go wrong. Hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully this video gave you some ideas about whether you want to buy one of these or not. If it did, well, I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to leave me a comment below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.